Um, my Zone Guard Plus just scared me out of my own body.
Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and/or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Life-threatening storm surge, damaging wind gusts, and flooding rainfall continuing over eastern Texas. New information. Changes to watches and warnings.
By the way, that's an orange light.
A storm warning has been issued, and the storm surge warning and hurricane warning have been canceled for coastal Jackson. A tropical storm warning has been issued, and the hurricane warning has been canceled for Brazoria Islands, coastal Brazoria, coastal Matagorda, Galveston Island, inland Brazoria, inland Jackson, inland Matagorda, Matagorda Islands, and Warden. Current watches and warnings. A storm surge warning and tropical storm warning are in effect for Bolivar Peninsula, Brazoria Islands, Chambers, coastal Brazoria, coastal Galveston, coastal Harris, coastal Matagorda, Galveston Island, and Matagorda Islands. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Austin, Brazos, Burleson, coastal Jackson, Colorado, Fort Bend, Grimes, Houston, inland Brazoria, inland Galveston, inland Harris, inland Jackson, inland Matagorda, Madison, Montgomery, northern Liberty, Polk, San Jacinto, southern Liberty, Trinity, Walker, Waller, Washington, and Warden. Storm information. About 60 miles west-northwest of Galveston, Texas, or about 80 miles north-northeast of Matagorda, Texas, 29.8 and 95.7 W. Storm intensity 70 miles per hour. Movement north-northeast or 15 degrees at 13 miles per hour. Situation overview.
Excuse me.
Barrel made landfall at approximately 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time near Matagorda, Texas. Over the past 6 hours, the storm has produced widespread strong wind gusts, many to hurricane force, across southeast Texas. Additionally, heavy rain has resulted in flash flooding as well as significant rises on area bayous, streams, creeks, and rivers. The storm continues to push to the north and will continue to have the potential to produce life-threatening flooding, storm surge, wind gusts, and tornadoes over the next several hours. The threat for all of these hazards is relatively higher for areas to the east of the storm center. The current forecast track brings the center of the storm along the westernmost portions of the Houston metro later this morning and early this afternoon. By this evening, the center of the storm will be exiting the area and conditions will improve. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston, Texas around 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or sooner if conditions warrant. A hurricane warning remains in effect for the following counties in Texas: Brazoria, Jackson, Matagorda, and Warden. Tropical storm warning in effect. Hurricane warning is canceled. What?
Okay.
South wind 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to...
That scared me when it turned on. I don't know what happened. Like none of my other radios went off, but yeah, the Zone Guard decided to go off. Another update.